Join me as I take on the challenge of creating the ultimate RV camping experience in North Florida. Can I make it unforgettable? RV camping in North Florida is an experience like no other. It's a chance to disconnect from the hustle and bustle of city life and reconnect with nature in a way that's both relaxing and exhilarating. The region's unique combination of scenic beauty, outdoor recreation, and rich cultural heritage makes it the perfect destination for RV enthusiasts. When it comes to RV camping, one of the biggest challenges is finding the perfect campsite. You want a spot that's not only scenic but also has convenient access to amenities like bathrooms, showers, and hookups. But with so many options to choose from, it can be tough to know where to start. Another challenge is dealing with the unpredictable weather in North Florida. One minute it's sunny and warm, the next it's pouring rain or gusting winds. You've got to be prepared for anything. Add to that the necessity of planning your itinerary, including deciding which local attractions to visit, where to grab a bite to eat, and how to navigate the sometimes confusing network of roads and highways. And of course, there's the matter of RV maintenance, making sure everything is in working order before you hit the road. It's a lot to think about, but don't worry, with a little planning and preparation, you'll be ready to take on whatever North Florida throws your way. One of the biggest misconceptions about RV camping is that it's only for seasoned veterans. But the truth is, anyone can do it, as long as you're willing to put in the effort. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and start exploring. And speaking of exploring, let's talk about one of the amazing RV camping locations you can find in North Florida. One of my personal favorites is the Suwannee River Rendezvous. Located in Mayo, Florida, this park offers stunning views of the Suwannee River, as well as access to hiking trails, picnic areas, and even a boat ramp. And if you're looking for something a little more luxurious, you might want to try the lodging with houses that sleep up to 10. This place has got it all, a swimming pools, a hot tubs, even a dog parks for your furry friends. But don't just take my word for it, North Florida is home to countless RV camping spots, each with its own unique charm and attractions. From the white sand beaches of the Gulf Coast to the rolling hills of the Panhandle, there's something for every kind of camper. And no matter where you choose to park your RV, you can be sure that you'll be surrounded by some of the most beautiful and diverse natural landscapes in the country. One of the standout moments from my own RV camping experience was watching the sunset over the Suwannee River. I mean, it was one of those moments where you just stop and take it all in, the sound of the water lapping against the shore, the smell of the grass and the trees, the sky ablaze with color. It was truly breathtaking, and it's a memory that I'll carry with me for the rest of my life. And that's what it's all about, isn't it? Creating memories that will last a lifetime. Whether you're a seasoned camper or just starting out, RV camping in North Florida has got something for everyone. So why not give it a try? You never know what kind of unforgettable experiences you might have. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along on this RV camping adventure with me. If you've got a favorite RV camping spot in North Florida, be sure to leave it in the comments below. And if you want to see more travel videos like this one, be sure to check out my channel.